Today is the day we officially level up the look of my Tesla. No more clean, stock look. We're giving it that I'm not like other Tesla energy. Think Batmobile, but sustainable. First up, the spoiler. I went with the carbon fiber because carbon fiber. It's like the kale of car mods. Light, fancy, and everyone swears it's good for performance. Super lightweight, sleek, and stealthy. Comes with 3M tape pre-applied, which is nice because I need mods that are plug and play, not sweat and pray. Now this right here is the front lip, and it's already giving stay out of my way in the carpool lane energy. Glossy finish? Yep. Clean line? For sure. And it's got just the right amount of don't mess with me, but like in a polite EV kind of way. What I love is that it comes with everything. Adhesive promoter, all the hardware, even non-existent instruction sheet that whispers, good luck buddy. It does come in 3 pieces, which means this thing hugs the curves of the car like it was meant to be there. Installing the spoiler is basically applying a giant sticker, but way more permanent. Wipe down the entire install area. You want the surface as clean as a new Tesla delivery, but without the panel gaps. Now flip back the red 3M tapes liners on both ends. Don't peel them off just yet. Just fold them out so you have leverage when it's time to git pull and git commit. Tape the spoiler right in the middle to temporarily lock it down. Then use your measuring tape to check that both sides of the spoilers are equally spaced from the trunk edges. Keep adjusting the spoiler and redoing your tape until both sides are equal. Once it's center, don't move, don't breathe, don't blink. Just bask in the symmetry. Start peeling the 3M liner from one end and slowly pressing down as you go. Then go from the other end until they meet in the middle, like Malcolm. 90s babies. I got you. Once it's in place, press down like you're locking in a mortgage rate before it jumps again. Use both hands and go all the way across. Hold each section for a few seconds. No washes, no wild drive, no leaning on it while taking selfies. Let the adhesive cure for 24 to 48 hours. Apply firm pressure for 30 to 60 seconds. Use tape that's easy to peel, like painter's tape or Gorilla Tape, to mark the exact placement before peeling the backing. Now that we got the spoiler squared away, clean, center, and looking like it came from the factory, it's time to show some love to the front end. Because the front lip just doesn't add style. It gives your Tesla a low-key, aggressive look, like it's ready to fight, but silently. The kit comes in 3 pieces, lightweight, glossy, 3M, and screw included. First, clean the front bumper lip area. Lay out all 3 pieces under the front bumper and align them. So right now I'm testing to see if I align this to the fender perfectly and then tape it, would it match, would it fit correctly? Because if I go over here, and if this thing, oh, yep, it matched perfectly. Use a marker to mark the final position. Start with the center section. Peel back 3M tape liner. Once it's lined up, commit, press it in. I actually screw the center in also to make sure it's not going anywhere. Then do the same for the sides. Work from the center out. Press like your Tesla is doing a Mach 3, and that lip is your only hope of keeping things aerodynamic and fabulous. Screw in the rest. Don't over tighten anything plastic. And boom, clean, sporty, low profile vibes without scraping your driveway. 2 mods, 1 day, and 0 regrets. Look, I know what you're thinking. Cool mods. But do they actually do anything? Or are they just automotive eyeliner? And the answer is yes, maybe. It depends. The front lip allegedly helps reduce front end lift by keeping air from rushing under the car. Think less hovercraft, more hoverboard. That means better grip and stability. Might even help your Tesla more planted. Less floaty, more sporty. The rear spoiler, supposed to break up airflow and reduce rear lift. Some say it improves high speed stability over 70 miles per hour. I say it improves garage reflection aesthetics, which is what really matters. Together, you might feel more confident behind the wheel, or you might just look cooler pulling up to your high school reunion. Either way, you win. It looks good, like this should have been stock, as a subtle edge without screaming aftermarket. It's clean, classy, and gives off serious performance model energy, minus the badge envy. Lightweight, no drag or swag. Real carbon fiber, not a fake wrap or vinyl print. This is the real deal. Honestly, none. Maybe it could be more JDM fancy with crazy angles, but I have a daughter now, so I'll behave. That glossy finished? Look, I don't think I'll be into glossy anything. I'm a matte everything kind of person. Matte screen protector, matte monitor, matte personality. I'm built like a beige hoodie and a quiet playlist. Basically, if it reflects light, I don't trust it. But this glossy hits just right. Stylish, but not screaming for attention. Technically, this is a front lip, but it does give off splitter vibes, like it wants to go to track day, but still shop at Costco. Came with everything, including an adhesive promoter. It comes in 3 pieces, so yes, you can spot the seams if you're up close and squinting. Not a deal breaker, just a little reminder that it's DIY install, not a one-piece wind tunnel tested OEM setup. Couple quick tips. Don't hit a high pressure car wash right after install. That adhesive needs time to bond like it's rebuilding trust after being ghosted. I let mine cure overnight, then show it off to the fam first thing in the morning. Worth it. Between the spoiler and the front lip, this combo levels up your Tesla whole vibe. You're going from nice car to hold up. Is that a performance model without paying the premium? And the best part? You didn't go to a shop. You didn't hire anyone. You did it with tape, patience, and a vision in your garage. If you're thinking about easy non-permanent mods that totally transform your Tesla vibe, these 2 absolute no-brainers. Thinking about doing a diffuser next, or maybe a side skirts? Let me know in the comment, cause this build is just getting started. Quick note, both of these were sent to me, but there was no obligation to do this video. I'm only sharing because I like the way it turned out, and it's free.